how to add the weather widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Then we go down and tap on widgets. In here, scroll down. Then tap on weather. Now scroll down again. This time, touch and hold on weather. Tap on the widget and drag it to your home screen and let go. Now you can resize your weather widget by dragging on the resize handle. After that, tap anywhere outside the screen to save the changes. Now you can touch and hold on the widget, then tap on settings. In here, you can choose your background color. You can also change the transparency as well by dragging on the transparency bar, so wide, semi-transparent, or fully transparent. By tapping on the change button here, this will allow you to change the city as well. So I can change to San Jose, then tap on saved. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.